2007 Civic Si alternator replacement. You gotta remove these tabs and these tabs.
Yeah, mechanic.
The panel's gonna require you some finagling, so you're gonna push it forward and have it come backwards. And then once it's out, it looks like this. Next, you want to grab a 14 mil wrench and then a breaker bar to remove the tensioner. Once you loosen it, then the belt comes free right here, like this. I couldn't video it coming off because I had the socket, or excuse me, I had the wrench and the breaker bar in the way. But you get the point of the idea. You want to use some vice grips to get off this plug. All you do is crimp it in between here and here, and it'll come right out. Alright, you have to remove the headlights in order to get to the bolts back there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one bolt and then the other bolts right there. Right there, 2 bolts. Sorry, video quality. Right there. 1, 2. One's right next to it, right after this bar. So you want to remove that bolt, and the 2 down there. Right, like I said again, sorry for the video quality. This is my tutorial. Hopefully it helps others out there. Right. There's a 12 mil on there. Start busting off. Sorry, it's a wood guy with the sound in the background. Alright, you have to remove the fan shroud. There's 2 10mm bolts right there. They're attached to the radiator. And there's 2 little grommets that go on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark. And then you gotta do everything from the alternator. And then now you gotta pull it off. Or you're gonna pull it off to the side, and you're gonna yank, pull out, bring it up top. Just like that. Moving the radiator out of the way. You gotta finagle just there. There you go. It's out. In with the new, out with the old. Okay. Slide your bolt in the top just to get it started. You don't have to tighten it up too tight. Alright, same operation with the bottom. Right there. Kinda can't see, but you guys get the idea. Alright, so the bolt is this one. Once I remove the socket, you should be able to see it. Right there, that one. Alright, so the bolt that you have to tighten is that one. The one I'm pointing to. Hopefully you can see it right there. That one. Fired right up. I was going to show the turning over part of it, but nah. Y'all know what turning on a car sounds like. But everything's good. Fired up right away. Got my master mechanic right here. Got the glorious toolbox and the glorious Honda. Alright, y'all.